All right, so Auntie Ali is back. It's been a year since she was last here, and now she's here to help me with the garden again.
Hi fans.
I'll leave that bit out.
Yeah, you cut that
All right,
bit out.
so
Okay.
what are we doing?
So I have lifted all the junk walls because they seem to be a bit of a problem, and put them into the front garden bed because the perfume of them seems to upset people. So I'm now going to put a few small shrub type plants in here, so there's a bit of a display as you walk in the front door. So that's the current plan. We have also purchased a number of colourful annuals, and we're going to put them into some containers around the side for a bit of colour and liveliness. Cut. Got to get moving if you don't want to be cold. Look at this beautiful camellia, folks.
Yeah, it is good.
Glorious camellia. One thing I will say about Narracourt, you can grow beautiful roses and camellias.
Except we're in Edenhope.
What did I say? Narracourt.
Narracourt.
I meant Edenhope. Edenhope. Yeah. Just doing a little bit of a clean up here. Rubber stencils got in. A few branches of cut off roses here.
Oh yes.
Previous pruning. It's amazing how the thorns never fall off. But the roses are lovely here.
The thorns, yeah, I know, but I'm scared of spiders getting on me. And usually I'm just quickly...
You're a lot bigger than a spider.
It's not the point. I don't like them. And they bite me all the time.
All the time?
Yep.
They know that you don't like them.
Correct.
Is it easier to use than using the fork as a rake?
Yes, I was actually turning the soil, and then that's what I was doing.
Good.
Let's talk about the new plants we just got.
Okay.
Where are they? Oh, there.
In there. We're going to talk about.
So today we went to Narracourt and bought some plants. Here they are. And they're going to go in the ground while my Auntie Ali is here because she is the garden expert. So they look good. We've got some natives. That's a Banksia. Once they're out of this box, they'll look better. And some pansies, just for a bit of colour.
Lifting and aerating. I'm going to put a little bit of dynamic lifter in, just to. And as I turn, I notice even though I shifted all the jonquil bulbs, if you'll see here, there's a lot of bulbs coming up, which I'd say are probably daffodil looking at the size of them. So they should be lovely in the spring. So try to be a little bit careful where there's a lot of bulbs. A lot of bulbs. Someone's planted here. Obviously very fond of bulbs they were. Yeah, so right, that's the plan. Stand. Feels like there's a bit of rock in here.
Bulb action there, or rock?
No, a little bit of rocks.
Oh.
This probably you could have probably a bit of the driest
Yeah.
area. They probably-
Well, I thought we could put the Banksia here. Or somewhere down the driveway.
oh yes, it's not the
Is the pot completely
yeah
grown through?
yeah. Basically, the
It's
geranium
just the
is
shell of a pot.
the pot's probably fine, but it's just that the roots have gone through.
Yeah.
There's a lot down there, and you've got your pretty little white one there that you
Yeah,
wanted
yeah,
to
look after
rescue.
that. We're going to save that one. 'Cause
think
it's,
we
the,
probably-
it's the only one.
See, the
It's
thing
just a
about that
new
is
one.
to move that, you're going to have to just cut that right back.
Yeah. Well,
Uh,
that's all right.
Yeah. So where did you think you wanted your?
I don't know. What's this plant? What is it?
Looks like a daisy to me.
I think it might be, I can't remember.
I think that could be the.
But I've trimmed it back.
Yeah. No, daisies are good for.
That can
space
stay
fillers.
there. Yep.
Yeah.
But then maybe the Banksia can just
You can put the Banksia in there.
just pop it in somewhere here for now, because we
Yeah.
can always move it. And then the lavender can stay.
yes.
it
it's
just
looking,
needs to
that
be-
lavender is looking
It
good.
looks
so you
good.
can't-
Yeah.
Yes, I'm not a fan of these single pots.
Oh no, they were just
about the
there.
place with nothing
We're
in
going to
them.
move them because I'll use them out the back.
So what? This is a citrus as well. What is it?
I've no idea.
I think you've got another citrus over there.
Yeah, I don't know what they are, but I'll
Have you
be
had
excited to find out.
no flowers, no
No,
fruit?
no. In fact, this one I feel like even a year ago, I don't think it was even sort of there. Like it's just
Oh.
started to grow. I mean, it was
been a
obviously
small one.
there, but it would have been quite small. So I
Yes, they
wouldn't have...
seem to have gone for putting the concrete collars around things.
Yeah, well, they're all going to go. We don't like them.
Oh no! Oh, here we go. Yeah, actually, this must be not that old because it's still a label still. It's an orange.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's got the label still.
Well, there you go.
So it's not that old. And what's this one over here? Being well and truly eaten at.
Yeah, now,
Now-
even...
See that there?
Yes.
That
that's
is the
very
root
different.
stock. That's the root stock. So you don't really want anything growing from the root stock
Oh, right.
because that'll be
Yeah.
something thorny and not good.
Yeah, right.
So they get a hardy root stock, and then they
So those things that you... Those
anything
bits you-
blowing down there is
Yeah.
root stock.
Yes, but
See?
is that not the same plant?
No.
Oh, it's
No.
like a little hanger-on.
Yep.
Oh, right.
It's been grafted. So you've got
Oh.
a grafted, could be a lime, could be a mandarin, could be anything. You
Oh,
don't know
okay.
because there's no label. You won't know until
No.
it needs a good spray with
It
white
sure
oil.
does. There's a lot of snails.
But you don't want the root stock.
Yeah, right. Well, there you go.
Yeah.
You heard it here.
You heard it? Yeah.
This lavender here is quite nice. That one can stay.
Yeah.
And that tree there next to the letterbox, I'll have to trim that back again soon.
It is very
But
nice.
it's
I can't
good.
Wait if these, it could be have a little pink flower on. It'll be very nice to see.
Yeah, wherever you want. I will come and have a look in a sec. Whoop. Oh, this one's got a new one growing. That's exciting. Okay, what am I looking at?
Here, or I'm thinking here. Okay,
Oh no.
I've got a little heavy I'm going to put in here. 'cause it's
Okay.
really nice.
Alright.
I'll do. Yeah, it's quite good, the soil.
Alright, well,
Good.
we'll chuck it in and see what happens.
So you've need to open up the dynamic lifter because I'm going to put it in that garden bed.
Alrighty, I'm
Okay.
doing it now.
Right.
Dynamic lifter. What have you got there?
Nasturtium.
Oh, look at it. See, things just randomly grow.
Oh, that's a drop seed.
Yeah. But maybe I could wish for a money tree and one might drop a seed into the...
Yes, wouldn't that be wonderful?
Yeah. Oh well, let's dig that one out. We can put it in a pot if we want it to grow.
Where's that pot? I saw a pot over there somewhere. I can put it in there
Yeah.
temporarily.
Alright.
All depends on how. Okay. Bring me a pot.
We'll bring it to the pot.
Bring it to the pot.
Where is the pot?
I saw a pot.
Oh yeah, here.
The pot.
Check for snails.
They don't hurt.
I don't want to touch one though.
Okay.
There you go.
Can you pull that weight out? Or you just don't have to touch it?
I can touch.
Let me do it.
I can touch weeds. Yep. Well, they're not really. Some are coming out from the root.
I'm just going to plonk
Get
it in
in
there.
there.
And I'll just put a bit of soil on top of it because
Yep.
yeah, it's yeah, because not everything goes well being lifted because the roots are very fragile when they're little like that. So I'll just grab a bit of dirt
Yep.
from over here. I'll have to water it first.
Alright, so you've just put some fresh dirt on it,
Yeah,
around it, and
Yeah,
then
it
we'll
just needs a bit of water.
see what happens. I'll get some more water.
yeah, get some water on there. Okay. Now I have here a couple of fit for purpose gardening tools that were bought today at Mitre 10 in Narracourt. Now I have
We're not
here,
doing ads. We're not doing any
okay, no ads,
promotions.
no promotion.
We just happen to be there.
Now I have here a lovely Banksia, absolutely delightful native here, and I'm going to pop it in here into a sunny, well-drained spot. Just give it a... Now being a native, ordinarily I'd have fed this up a bit with a bit of dynamic lifter, but you have to be careful with fertilising natives because you can burn them with too much fertiliser. So I'm not going to put any fertiliser in. I think the soil is good enough. It's a
It
lovely
looks good.
specimen.
Yeah, I like the shape of these leaves.
So do I. This garden will lend itself well to natives. Let's put a little weed out there. So after having talked about the garden tools, hands are still the best thing.
Now, I'm no expert, but I hope this does well.
I think it looks better already.
Yeah, in the garden.
Yeah.
All that it requires now is a bit of water.
I have some.
Okay.
Wait until I plant the baby.